Hello! Hello! Hi guys! Hi guys! Hello! Hello! Hey guys! What's up? This is me, Joey Girl. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like my Facebook page and follow me on Instagram. For this video, meron lang akong gustong i-share na tips sa inyo kung paano ko ni-revive yung mga nag-dried out ko na makeup like mascara, gel eyeliner, and eyebrow pomade. Eyebrow pomade. Alam mo yung minsan bagong bili mo lang siya, pero parang medyo dry na siya agad. Parang hindi masyado atang maganda yung formula. Ewan ko, baka kasi depende rin talaga sa formula, kung madali talaga siya mag-dry. Sayang pera eh. Hindi naman porket dry na siya, expired na siya, itatapon mo na. Ikakabili mo lang. Chinek mo rin naman yung manufacturing date. Bago-bago lang siya. Minsan talagang may mga factors kung bakit mabilis silang magda-dry. Siguro sa formula, sa pagkaka-handle, sa pagkaka-store, diba? But anyway, meron akong solution for you. Meron akong dalawang tips. The first one, if you're on a budget, pwede mong i-try yung contact lens solution. Tried and tested ko na siya actually. Kunin mo lang yung dried out mo na mascara, for example. Lagyan mo lang ng 1 to 2 drops maximum. I-shake mo lang siya, then that's it. Sorry, wala akong available na contact lens solution right now. But trust me, ito talagang ginagawa ko before sa mga dried out ko na mascara. Huwag masyadong madaming drops kasi sobrang magiging liquidy na siya. Pangit na ng sobra yung formula. Alright? After that, pag ginamit mo siya, mas magiging smooth na. I promise you. By the way, pwede mo rin siyang gawin sa mga dried out mo na gel liners. Na-try ko na din siya dito sa pot na 1 drop lang. Then, magiging smooth na siya ulit. The second option, kung meron ka namang extra budget, merong mas effective actually. Medyo mag-splurge out ka lang ng konti, but I promise you, it is worth it. Araw-araw ko siyang ginagawa. May mga nakikita kong makeup hacks, either sa YouTube or sa Instagram, parang binababa nila sa hot water. Okay siya, I think it will work, pero hindi siya yung something na pwede mong gawin on a regular basis. Like, paano kung nagmamadali ka, wala ka naman tayo magpainit ng water. So, there's an easier way. Pero, medyo mag-spend ka lang ng konti. And this is actually a secret of mine. Sa'yo ko lang sabihin ko. If you're familiar with the brand Inglot, I'm using this product from them. It's called Duraline or Duraline. I'm not sure. Yan, ito itsura niya guys. Duraline. It's a mixing liquid. Duraline or Duraline mixed with a makeup product of your choice creates a liquid waterproof formulation. And this is also hypoallergenic. Pwede mo itong ihalo sa mga loose pigments, foundation, dried out na mga gels, creams, eyeliners, mascaras, anything na mas gusto mo maging smooth yung application niya, pwede mo itong i-mix. Actually, just 1 drop of this is fine na. And I got this for around parang 990 or 995 sa Inglot store. But I've been using this for more than a month. Every single day. Pero ito pa lang yung nabawas sa kanya. Yan pa lang. Matipid naman siya and siguro magagamit mo na to for more than 6 months. So, if you have mixing palette like this, tinatakpan ko siya kasi madumi siya. Sorry, hindi ko siya nahugasan. Okay, pero here's a proof na talagang ginagamit ko siya with my cream and gel products. Alam mo yun kasi sayang yung pera mo kung itatapon mo sila tapos madami pa. Kumain lang talaga yung formula or nag-dry na talaga sila and gustong-gusto mo pa silang gamitin. So, I thought of trying this out and surprisingly, okay siya. So, here's what I do. You get one of these. Kung wala kayo nitong mixing palette, it's fine. Pwede mong gamitin yung takip ng makeup mo or parang flat na surface. Just make sure na malinis. Okay? Sanitation. Siyempre, kung meron kang mixing palette, you should also have mixing spatula. And as usual, hindi na naman siya malinis. Kasi nga, lagi ko siyang ginagawa, lagi siyang ginagamit. Anyway, after this, hugasan ko namin sila anyway. So, just for the purpose of demonstrating, I'm gonna show it to you guys. Kunin mo yung dried out mo na product. Gusto mong paggamitan nito. In my case, I'm using this Anastasia Lip Brow Pomade. Yan ang ginagamit ko. So, kukuha ako ng small amount. Yung feeling ko na magagamit ko lang for the day. Let's say, mga ganito lang siya. Konti. Since madumi to, I'm going to use the other part. So, lalagay ko lang siya dyan. So, alright. So, once the product is there, you can add your magic potion. Dropper type. Yan yung texture niya. Medyo runny no liquid. So, all you need is one drop, baby. So, lagay mo na siya. You can take your mixing spatula. So, mix mo lang siyang ganyan. Mix mo lang siya until makuha mo na yung gusto mo na consistency niya. There! You can now take your brush to apply it. Dami naman nagmumotor, oh! Daan lang po. Take your brush. I'm using this angled brush from MAC. It's the MAC 208 brush. Actually, for me, ito yung best eyebrow brush na nagamit ko so far. I just dip the brush here. So, I just dip it. And then, we'll apply smoothly. See? Smooth na siya. Smooth na siya with the Duralite. Ganito siya before. Sobrang talagang dry na siya. And you can see naman kung gaano na siya ka-dry, guys. Wala. El Nino na siya. El Nino na siya, dahil hindi na talaga siya ma-apply ng maayos. So, see? Sobrang ang hirap. Na-imagine mo ba nilalagay mo to sa kulay mo? Ako hindi. So, yun yung difference niya. You can also put this in mascara. So, I'm going to show you. It applies like this na. So, diba? Dry na siya. Dry. Siguro naiwan ko itong nakabukas or something. Lalagay lang ako ng konti. Konti lang. 1, 2. Just gonna shake. Another tip when using your mascara, avoid mo yung igaganon mo yung one in and out sa tube. Kasi yun ang number one reason kung bakit mag-dry. And of course, make sure na lagi siyang properly closed, tightly closed. Ito na siya. So this is without Duraline or Duraline. This is dried out formula. And this one is with the Duraline. See? Actually, mas nag-intensify pa yung color niya. Mas naging black siya dito. Diba? Compared dun sa baba. Another thing that I like about this, pag nag-dry na siya, my case, this is the deep brow pomade. Pag nag-dry na siya sa eyebrows ko, all day na siya talaga dyan. As in, kahit mag-oily ako or mag-sweat, then magdaba ko ng tissue sa mukha ko, wala. Hindi na talaga siya nag-transfer. This is actually for pro use kasi it's going to make the makeup last for a very long time. So, I highly recommend this. Inglot Duraline or Duraline, whatever you call it. Just like this. Pwede mo tong gamitin sa maraming mong makeup. Kahit maliit siya kasi a little bit goes a long way. You know, before I end this video, I would like to say thank you sa mga naka-appreciate ng first video ko. Sobrang thank you. Kung hindi mo pa siya napanood, please do watch it. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope na nakatulong to sa inyo. Alam ko marami tayong, kanya-kanya tayo ng ways. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung mga ginagawa ko na effective. I hope this helps and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next YouTube video. Take care! Bye-bye!